the stop sign down here. I gotta throw my gum out.
Oh wait, is this the white button?
Yes. Yeah, and when the line is covered by the snow, well then, if you don't see it, it doesn't exist. But you'll see
Most
there's...
people won't be biking during the winter anyway.
Most people, yeah. You'll see like tire tracks in front of you, so just get on top of the tire tracks.
Yeah. Same thing with turning lanes and stuff, but you can't really tell.
Yeah, exactly. Follow the tire tracks unless they lead out into a ditch or something. At the lights up here, we're going to go straight.
Just help them in the right line for this.
You'll see once you get a little closer. So you see how the tire tracks kind of go to the... Yeah, perfect.
Driving to work, I wanted to make a lane change into the left lane to go into OJ, but it was like I couldn't go because the guy was like right behind me, and it was just like no matter how far I went on, it was just like he seemed to always be there and he didn't move.
Just totally aggressive.
So I just ended up going straight.
Yeah, or what you could do is instead of making that left turn, you can make a right turn at the lights into Maslack and turn around and go straight through the lights.
That's true.
So you're picking the safest route, basically.
So I just went straight because make sure he's across.
You got her. Uh-oh, we're being followed. We're gonna make a right turn down the first laneway.
First laneway?
Yes. See the pedestrian?
Yep.
So that way you're being courteous, because basically if it's cold outside, you're in your nice heat bubble here, right? And everybody wants to get indoors, so being courteous to the pedestrians, let them get indoors.
Jeez, there's like no lines.
We'll go right down to the end here, and there's a space we can park in between the red car and the gray car over there.
Yeah. Am I gonna pull in or back in?
We'll back it in.
Gotta get closer. And there's signal. It's good enough.
The headlight, can you see the guy's driver's side headlight in the small triangle window?
The for the gray car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you should be okay.
Turn the wheels. Reverse before I go. Make
Might
sure
have got a little too close to these bumpers, though. We'll see. You might have to back it up, and you'll see. Once you start rolling, you'll see that you're getting...
Yeah.
Okay, so then you just straighten the wheels out. You continue in a straight line before you turn into the space. There. This little side mirror here too, the bubble mirror really helps you. You can ignore the lines in the winter too.
I always even though I'm not going to hit anything, it always feels like I will.
That's normal at first. The spidey senses are gonna get stronger.
Oh, I have a lot of room between the other car.
Yeah.
I can just... Straighten out.
Yeah.
straight.
It's not bad.
And then just
Might be a little bit crooked in the space, but that's, you know, in the winter time, that's very normal. Nobody parks perfectly straight.
And also, as long as it's in between the lines, I don't care.
Yeah, and the main thing is you want your examiner to be able to get out.
Yeah.
Right, so you left me enough room to get out, no problem. That's all that matters, really, that you're just backing up very safely, that you don't hit anything, you're going slow enough, and your observing is great.
Because it's like when I park, I can park in between the lines. I'm just very crooked. But, I mean, at least I'm in between the lines.
Yeah, and the more you do it, it'll get better and better.
Yeah. Well, I noticed that before I was crooked, but my back tire was outside of the lines. But now they're both in between the lines, just a little tilted.
Okay. So let's come back to this space. We'll go around, we'll come back to it, and we'll do the forward parking.
Straighten my wheels, right? Okay, so this is all the way over here. This would be straight.
Yep. Got her.
And then
with the truck, you really got to go forward in a straight line before turning.
Yeah. Even till your bumper is aligned with the bumper or something. Which in this case...
About halfway out, about this part right here, to his front bumper. Approximately. This thing just got a wash and a wax there today, and I could still smell that wax.
Conditions.
Yeah, we'll just stay right here. There, she's making room for you, so go ahead. Yeah, she's making room for you.
Practicing forward parking. I practice on the the other side, so it's like easy.
Oh, you came to this parking lot?
No, but like the parking space was on that side, so I was on.
Oh, okay.
So,
Right. Yeah, all the spaces at the road test center are going to be on your right. And use your right signal too.
it's much easier to pull in with the little.
Makes a big difference though, eh? Yeah. Just the size of the vehicle. Yeah, you see the curb appear just under your mirror.
I see it like in this corner.
Okay. Yeah, and I see the curb right under my mirror, so that's good. The nose of your vehicle isn't over the curb, so you're in the right place. This is good.
Yeah, it's much easier to do it with a smaller car. I just noticed because I'm a lot straighter than I would be with the truck.
With the truck, you really got to swing it out as far to the left as you can.
So every time I do it with the truck, it's like I'll be like this.
Yeah, a little bit crooked, eh? Because you need that turning radius. Basically, the transports, they call it the button hook or the fish hook, and basically it looks like a fish hook, like this, kind of, because they got a long trailer, right? If they need to come in to a space, they got to pull in as straight as possible, so they got really wide.
Yeah.
So we do the same thing, but we won't have to go like as far. Okay, right on. So we'll back her out to the right.
So I'm going this way.
Yep.
Reverse. Nah, I guess I'll do the signal. No cars. No people.
Squirrels.
And I guess now I have to make sure that my bumper is past theirs.
Theirs.
Theirs?
Yeah, because you'll still. Oh no, you're turning it to the right. To the right. Because you want your back end to go that way.
Oh, you want the back end to go?
Yeah.
I thought you meant like I'm pulling out this way.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, when I drive with my dad, he tells me,
What does he say? What's the
He always says like
terminology?
go towards the left. So like when he says to go towards the left, that means he wants my front end to go towards the left.
I see. Okay,
Yeah.
so he's not. He's skipping the backing
Yeah.
part, and he's just thinking which way you want to go. Like,
Yeah.
Once you back out, go left. Okay. Yeah.
That's
Gotcha.
why I was a little confused.
Okay. We're gonna go up to the lights up here.
Wasn't sure if they just got here or if they were leaving.
Yeah. You're assessing the situation. At the lights, we're gonna go straight.
Alright, straight is, I believe, here, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess most of the time the straight is with the right.
Most of the time, there's some exceptions to the rule because of offset intersections.
Mm.
Essentially, the curbs, if everything was properly designed, the curbs should be perfectly lined up. That curb to that curb, and then you just stay to the curbs.
Yeah,
In a perfect world.
in a perfect world.
It's an early day for me today. I had a cancellation there. My 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock canceled, so I'm done after. Going home early.
It's always fun.
Yeah. There we go. We got the flashing orange light. And who is that?
I can feel the truck.
That's Sharon.
Oh, is it?
There you go.
I didn't even notice.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasn't sure. I thought he was going to turn in front of me.
It almost looked like it, right? So as soon as he started slowing down, that's evidence
Yeah.
that he noticed and he's going to stop.
Yeah, because straight has the right of way.
Yes, you have the right of way. That's correct. Yeah. And it could have been they were teenagers. They
Yeah.
could have been he was just trying to freak you out a little bit or throw you off a little bit, you know.
Yeah. Or it just could have been like, you know, he goes into the intersection, like, do you
Yeah.
wait in the intersection?
Oh yeah, pulling out, taking possession of the
Yeah.
intersection, taking control. Yeah. True. But then we saw him turn his wheels a little bit.
Yeah.
That's a little nerve-wracking when they start doing that. Turning the wheels.
Yeah.
That's
Because
why
you're
you
only
gotta
supposed to
keep
turn it when unless you're ready to go.
Yeah, when it's 100%. When you're 100% sure. Right turn here.
Right? A little bumpy.
It's one thing about the winter is once everything gets hard packed, the roads are nice and smooth.
I
Covers
hate
all the
this.
potholes and all the uneven surfaces, you know. So we get this flashing amber light up ahead, just warning us of a sharp right turn, sharp right corner. And once we get up to the crest of the hill, you'll be able to see the road and assess, see if it's covered in snow or ice or whatever.
Oh, yeah, the sign. I recognize that sign.
Yeah. So you want to keep your foot over the bridge. It looks pretty good. You're not going to slide into the boulders over here.
Yeah, because I saw this one person that took like a sharp turn, and they were into our lane with the bus.
There you go. Yeah, because they were going too fast. Here we're going to keep going straight. And then a left turn at the stop sign.
At least now I can see the yellow,
Yeah.
so I can go all the way to the yellow line. But
Tip of the yellow line where the white line meets the yellow line. It's like a box. To box in your car, basically.
yeah, that's much easier for the left turns, I find.